you can improve the observability in your system. What I would want you to do, and this is like an example of like when you have an agentic system, you would want to like save the user query, you would want to save the rewritten query. So what I mean by rewritten query is, especially in a RAG system like a customer support bot, if it's on a knowledge documentation, the conversation might be going on for really long. You might, like after a while, you might want to rewrite each query because it might be relevant to the conversation going on, right? He or she, the user might have mentioned something in the beginning which might be relevant to this query. So every single run, you might be rewriting the query. So save that in there. Save the retrieval parameters. So if you're using a vector DB, a normal SQL, like you want to save everything. What was the environment state at that point of time when the agent was running? You want to save the retrieved items. In that, you want to save the documents as well as the metadata about the retrieved item, like who was the owner of that item, when was it last updated, all of that. You want to save all of that. You want to save the final assembled context. And what I mean by this is just one run, and your agent would do like 6 of these before it gives the answer. It just gets a bit complex. Basically, you just have more logs to go through, and you would want to save the tool calls. You want to save all the outputs of the tool calls.